wami, ngawubonga umphefumulo wami ngenxa yakho simakade sezulu. Kuseni simakade sezulu siyasondela Thixo wamathamsanqa, sisondeza zonke Thixo, sithi akekho ofana nawe Mthombo wazo zonke izinto. Khuluma nathi Yehova Thixo wamathamsanqa. You're saying this morning, you're asking for us. We are here, oh Lord. You are here, oh Lord. You are asking for us. We are here, oh Lord. Sisondele Thixo namandla amakhulu. Xa sovala unyaka sisondeza wena moya namandla Thixo wamathamsanqa. Yehova Thixo emikhosi. Kuseni sondeza udumo lwakho, sithi akekho ofana nawe. Siyabonga Baba ngoba usasibusisile, usasiphila inkazimulo yakho Baba. Siyabonga ngoba usavuka nathi usikhanyisela, sipha yonke Thixo ubungcwele bakho. Siyabonga simakade sezulu ngoba usasiphatha usiphakamise, sive ngencebe kuseni sakusondela kuwe Thixo kwindawo ngeendawo. Silapha Nkosi sisondeza ucazimulo yakho ngoba yehlele ngaphezulu kwethu. Umsebenzi wakho moya usebenze kule ndawo Thixo namandla makhulu. You said you're asking for us this morning Thixo simakade sezulu. They've worked so hard but they've caught nothing. Simakade sezulu silapho Thixo namandla makhulu yakuyophela. There's nothing to present, but we're only presenting you. You're presenting the cases to you. We've got nothing. But if you say so this morning, we'll let down our nets. We'll let down our nets again. We're saying tonight, this morning, we must let down our nets. Siva ubukho bakho uthi Thixo siyehle. We let down our nets. Siyaphuthuma njengoba uMary waphuthuma xa esizwa kokuba uyambiza. Njengoba Simon wathi uyeyehlisa amanethi wakufa. Nathi Thixo siyakufa simakade sezulu, siyakufa kuseni njena ngokuba simo Thixo esibi noma ngabe sibi xa sawuvala unyaka. Nathi Thixo sakusondeza ubukhulu bakho. When you're saying Thixo siyehlise amanethi wethu, you're saying finish with us. Finish with us this morning. Finish with us, Lord. Finish with us. Your grace must finish with us. Finish with us this morning. Make us let down our nets. See vertical asisondele. We thank you, Holy Spirit, because you are doing these things. We understand. Thixo, ngoba uyakhuluma nathi yokusiduduza Thixo, yokusikhombisa inkazimulo yakho. Ababalahla ithemba simakade sezulu ababuyele ngoba wena uyabaphuthuma ngezongalo zakho zobubele. Sasibeka nengane zethu xa silinda ama-results simakade sezulu ngoba usithwalile. Xa silinda ama-results ngoba bakhanyisele. Ngoba abanye mesilungileyo baphala kanjena bafuna ukutshintsha imindeni yabo, kepha othabiyos abanye abafuni simakade sezulu. Kepha intando yakho mayenzeke simakade sezulu, makucobe wena. Siyakusondeza ke moya namandla, siyasibeka indawo siyasibeka ingane zethu, siyasibeka nathi simakade sezulu. Xa siyovala leso indawo Thixo namandla amakhulu, siphi inkazimulo yakho, kube khona ubudlelwane, kube khona i-protection yakho. Kusondeza ke moya namandla kuseni. Ngicengile Baba, ngiyakusondeza Thixo namandla. I ask for your presence this morning. I ask for your healing. I ask for your guidance. I ask for your blessings. I ask for your guidance. I ask for your protection. I ask for your presence. Ask for your sense. Sicela amandla amakhulu. Sondeza ubukho bakho moya namandla ngoba usebenze kule ndawo. Sondeza Thixo namandla amakhulu. Sondeza moya namandla. Bless this platform. Grow with us. Finish with us. Akumema Baba, and open our spiritual ears. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. We ask for your presence. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Ask for inkazimulo yakho Baba. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.